Once upon a time, in the rolling hills of Iraq, there lived a grasshopper and an ant. The ant was busy collecting food and saving it, but the grasshopper was singing and playing all the time. One day, the ant noticed that the grasshopper was not preparing for the coming winter. The ant told the grasshopper, "Winter is coming." The grasshopper replied, "Why would I worry about the future? I love to enjoy singing and playing now. I am not worried about the future." The winter came and it was harsh and cold. The ant was warm and well fed. The grasshopper was struggling to find food. He then went to the ant and asked her for help. The ant was generous and helped him and fed him during winter time. The ant kindly shared some of her food that she stored for winter, but reminded the grasshopper of the importance of preparing for the future. The moral lesson of the story is the importance of preparing for future and planning for the future. Despite the fact that sometimes we enjoy playing and singing, but failing to plan for future is planning to fail for your future. Planning is really important. The ant's action also shows us the virtue of generosity and kindness to others. We need to help people in need. Thank you very much.